Right, Potato, you're back. Ready now? Okay. So we finished answering the first and the second. In the second number, you said you want to become a fox. Oh, the one that's near to you is a fox, right? Am I right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, let's answer question 3. Potato, you are hiding in some tall grass in Africa. Which animals can you see? Oh, if you are in Africa, what animals can you see? You should not be so loud in
I
Africa
see
because
a dragon.
a dragon, there's a dragon in Africa? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, what else aside from dragon? What else can we see in Africa? If I go to
Eagle.
eagle again, what else? How about wild animals in Africa? We should not talk loud in Africa because you might
It
see
is. It is a wolf.
wolf. Oh, wolf is still there in Africa. What
And
else?
tiger.
Tiger. What else?
Mm, I don't know.
Ah, very good. And okay, so tiger is found in Africa, even lions, even elephants, okay, snakes. There's a lot of it in Africa, okay? Now, why we should not make our voice loud, Potato, if you go to African forest? Potato? Why we should not make loud voices or noises if we go to African forest? Because why? If I make loud noises there, what will happen to me?
And then tiger eat.
Oh, the tiger will eat me. Yeah. So if I make so loud noises in Africa, especially in a desert area or in a forest, and then wild animals can hear me, they might eat me. Very good, Potato. How about this one, Potato? You live on a farm. Which animals live in your farm too? How about farm animals? What are the animals that we can see in the farm?
And the dog. Cat.
Dog, cat. What else?
Goat.
Bird. What else? Okay. What?
Chicken.
Okay. So aside from those animals, Potato, which one is your favorite animal that you want to take care of?
Dog.
Dog. Why? Because
Because dog is my pet. No.
because dog is your pet. If you have a pet dog, what name will you give to your pet dog?
Give it a stuffed brown dog.
Oh,
Dog
Dow?
chicken.
Oh, you will name your dog Dow?
No.
What is it? What's the name of the dog?
It's
It's what what name you want to give to your pet dog if you have a pet dog in a farm?
wow. I don't
Okay.
know.
What is it?
And
And what is it? A male dog or a boy dog or a girl dog?
a
What is it?
boy.
A boy. Okay. All right. So here, Potato. I have here again questions for you. Potato, Which three animals are you frightened of? Give me 3 examples of animals that you're scared of. 1,
Tiger,
tiger,
lion,
lion, and 1 more.
and
Tiger, lion,
and
give me 1 more. Again, leopard. Oh, why you are frightened of those 3 animals? Why are you scared of it?
It's also scared
Oh, why it's scary? Because
it's so
what will it do to you?
key. It's you.
Oh, it will eat you. So you should not get near to them. If you go near to these 3 animals, potato might be eaten. Okay, that's here. Potato, give me 3 favorite animals. Favorite. 3.
Cat,
Cat,
dog,
dog, and
and fish.
fish. Oh, cat, dog, and fish. All right. Here, potato, if you will be an animal, what animal would you like to be? What animal would you like to be? I would like to become a dog. Why you choose to become a dog?
Because dog is
Why do you like to become a dog? Because dog eat? Dog eat?
dog is because I don't know.
Oh no. Okay, because dog is your favorite because you like dogs, right? Is dog friendly? Is
Yeah,
it a friendly? Yes. Okay. So many people wants to have a pet dog because pet dogs are friendly. Oh, and if you are in harm, some of them will uh, keep you safe. Okay. All right. Oh, there you go. Potato, we finished the unit 3. Let's move to unit 4. Okay.
yeah.
Oh, wait, we're not yet done. Okay, let's have unit 4. What is unit 4 all about? What's unit 4? Your? Yeah, please read.
Your hair look great.
Okay, let's talk about your hair. Okay. First, what is this? The hair above your
Okay,
mouth. It's a mustache. Again.
mustache.
Okay, next. Number 2. The
Red.
hair here, beard. Okay. Okay, beard. So we have mustache above your mouth, and below your mouth is what we call beard. All right, next. What is this?
Long, short.
Long and short. Okay, look at the first picture. The girl has a long hair while the other one has a, how about the
Short
other
hair.
girl? Short hair. Next. Okay, this one. What kind of hair do they have? They have
Curly. Saffron.
curly and straight. Again, curly.
Curly and gray.
Okay, now here, let's have this one. Let's answer the following. Now here, look at number 1. So you're going to write the letters going down. Now, potato, look at picture 1. What's the color of her hair? What is the color of the hair in number 1? This is?
This is yellow.
Oh, what's another name for yellow? Blonde.
Yellow hair.
Okay. Blonde or yellow. So I'll make it blonde. B L O N G E. Blonde hair. Next, how about number 2? Potato, what do you call to the hair below your mouth? This one. It's called?
Apple.
What do you call to this one? What
No.
kind of? Is it mustache? One below your mouth. This one. Yeah, that one. It starts with letter B.
Dot rod.
Huh?
Dot rod.
Hmm? It's B.
Beard.
Beard. Okay, beard. B E A R and letter D. Okay, next. Number 4. How about the hair above your mouth? What do you call to the hair above your mouth? This one. Above your mouth. What do you call to that?
Hold that.
This one. It starts with letter M. And then O. Mo.
No.
Huh? It's moth. Moth.
Oven.
Okay, mustache. It's letter M. O. U. S. T. A. C. H. And letter E. That's how you spell it. Mustache. Sorry. Letter E. Okay, next potato. How about number 3? Look at this boy. What kind of hair has he got? It starts with letter C.
Eagle.
What kind of hair has this boy got?
Eagle.
This one. What kind of hair? Is it a straight hair? Huh? Straight hair? Number 3? Next to letter C is letter U. What is that?
Curl hair.
Curly. Again, what do you call this?
Curly.
Okay, curly hair. Right? Curly hair. Okay, next. How about number 5? Look at number 5 picture. Is her hair long or short? Number 5. Long or short?
Short.
Short. Correct. S H O R T. Short. Next.
S.
How about number 6? What kind of hair has she got? The opposite of curly. It starts with letter S.
Curl.
S. Starts with S.
Yeah.
Straight. Again. Straight.
Long.
No, not long. This one. It starts with letter S. Opposite of curly. It's straight. T A I G H T. Okay, let's check, Potato, your answer. Number 1, what's the color of your hair? It's blonde. Okay, so another color of yellow is called blonde. Look at your hair, Potato. What's the color of your hair? Potato's hair is, what's the color? It's blonde. Black. Okay, number 2, what do you call to this? The hair here, Potato? Below your mouth. What's the color? What's the name of this hair? Here. It's called beard. Again. Say beard. Again. Beard. Next. Okay, number 3. What kind of hair is this? It's called curly. Then, what is this? Curly. Okay, next. Number 4. Okay, number 4. What do you call to the hair above your mouth? This one. It's called, what's this?
It's called mustache.
Mustache. Correct. Next, number 5. Look at the hair of the girl in number 5. Is it long or short?
Short.
Short. Correct. Next, number 6. What kind of hair has she got? What kind of hair has she got? She got?
Short.
Okay, straight. All right, so these are the different kinds of hair. Okay, now here, let's try to describe the hair of the girl. You got here, Potato. You can say, I've got long or short, straight, or curly. And then tell the color and the word hair. Now, Potato, look at this girl. Okay, look at this girl. What kind of hair does this girl have? She got short. Is it straight or curly? She got short, straight. Is it straight? And what's the color? Color black hair. Again, you say she got short, straight, black hair. Again, she got
Black hair.
again, she got short. Again, she got short, black.
Short hair.
Okay, next. Okay, next. How about Potato? This picture. How about this girl? What kind of hair does this girl have? She got long or short?
Long.
Oh, she got long, straight or curly? Straight. What kind of hair? Straight.
Long, straight, brown hair.
All right. Is it brown? Okay. Hair. Next. How about Potato? How about this boy here? What kind of hair does this boy have? He got long or short?
Short.
Okay, he got short, straight or curly? Is it straight? Curly. Okay. She got short, curly, color. Short, curly, black hair. Again. Short, curly, black hair. Okay, next. How about the next one? How about this guy? He got
Got
what kind of
yellow
hair? Long or
Yellow.
short?
Short yellow hair.
Short. Curly or straight?
Curly.
Curly?
Straight.
Straight. And color. What's the color? What's the color of the hair?
It's color yellow.
Oh, yellow or blonde hair. All right, very good. Potato, how about your hair? Oh, let's go. Let's talk about Potato's hair. So, Potato, what can you tell to your hair? I've got. Look at your hair. I've got.
My tall.
What is it? Use this one. I've got long or short?
I got long hair.
Long hair? Your hair is long? Are you sure? Short. Again. I've got short.
Short hair.
Short. What else? Straight or curly? Potato. Straight or curly hair? What kind of hair have you got?
I got short. I got short. Straight hair.
Straight. And then the color. Don't forget the color.
I got short. I have short. I have short. Short boys. Black
Straight?
hair.
Oh, you say, I've got short, straight,
I got
black hair.
black hair.
Okay, Potato got short, straight, black hair. Potato, how about teacher's hair? Look at my hair. What can you say about my hair? You've got
You have got long
long, what else?
bracket. Long
Straight.
bracket.
Straight or curly?
What?
Is it straight or curly hair?
I have got long straight brown hair.
Very good. You've got a long, straight, black hair. So that's how you describe the hair of a person. Okay. Now here, Potato, let's have this one. Okay, listen to the audio and tell me the answer. Okay. Now here, which girl is Kim? Listen.
4C. Your hair looks great. Listen and tick the box.
Okay, number 1.
1. Which girl is Kim?
Look, Dad. Kim's playing football with the boys.
Is she the girl with long blonde hair?
No, Kim's got brown hair, and it's short, not long.
Oh, Kim's
Oh,
got
yes.
brown
I
hair.
see her. Wow. She's
Short.
good.
Okay, where's your answer, Potato? Kim's. Okay, next, number 2.
2.
Here.
Which man is Mr. Scarf?
Excuse me, is that Mr. Scarf, the man with the beard?
Mr. Scarf hasn't got a beard, but he's got a moustache.
Oh, is that him, the man with fair hair?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, fair hair means
3.
hair. Which one, Potato? Fair or yellow hair? What a tick, A, B, or C? Next, number 3.
Which person is Jim's cousin?
Is that your brother, Jim? The boy who's standing next to your mum?
Yes, Mr. Cook. My hair is straight, but he's got curly brown hair.
And who's the boy with curly fair hair?
That's my cousin.
Oh,
His name's John.
Jim's cousin got a curly yellow hair. Curly yellow hair. Okay, next, number 4.
4. Which boy is Paul's friend?
That's a good drawing, Paul. Is this you? The boy with the curly brown hair?
Yes, Miss Best. And my friend Nick is in my drawing too, but his hair is straight.
The boy who's wearing glasses. Is that him?
That's right.
Okay, which one is the answer? Potato? Okay, let's check now. Number 1. Which girl is Kim? The answer is letter C. Correct. Number 2. Which man is Mr. Scarf? Mr. Scarf is letter C, the one with the blonde hair. Number 3. Which person is Jim's cousin? The answer is very good. Letter B. A man with a curly blonde hair. Next, number 4. Which boy is Paul's friend? Paul's friend, potato, is letter O. The one wearing a glasses, the straight hair. Okay, that's okay. Because you only got 1 mistake. You got 3 out of 4 mistakes. All right, so potato, we will end our discussion here because it's already time. Okay, so potato, you are good in listening. You just have to be careful in reading. Pronounce the words correctly, especially words with letter S. Okay, just like what I asked you a while ago. And also, if you are talking about one person or one thing or one animal, use is. If it's many, use are. All right? So next time, we will take note of the use of the is and are in forming sentences. Okay? So potato, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now, potato. See you again next time. Bye-bye. Good night.